Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Another Love on a digital piano within Roblox. We'll explore the singular, most effective method to achieve this, ensuring your performance is both accurate and enjoyable. This guide will help you understand the specific steps needed to bring this beautiful song to life using the in-game features. Get ready to impress your friends with your musical talent. To begin, locate a digital piano in your preferred Roblox game. Once found, interact with it to open its unique musical interface. This interface is your key to inputting notes, typically displayed as letters like C or G and numbers indicating octaves. Familiarize yourself with this layout, as it is crucial for accurately playing the song. This is the foundational step for our method. Now let's input the melody. Begin with the core notes, C4, G3, A3, and F3. Carefully enter each note in the correct order, matching the song's distinct rhythm. It's highly recommended to practice these short sequences multiple times. This focused repetition will help you internalize the pattern and ensure a flawless performance of Another Love using the game's system. Finally, dedicate some time to practicing the entire song, ensuring smooth transitions between sections. If your Roblox experience offers tempo adjustments, experiment to find the perfect speed for Another Love. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering this piece. Once you feel confident, share your beautiful performance with other players and enjoy the music you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.